This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So, today's video, I'll just be showing you all the details on this beautiful unit that I'm wearing right here. This unit is from Klaiyi hair. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but they have human hair wigs and they have synthetic wigs, and this is one of their synthetic wigs. This is I'm reading it off my phone, so bear with me. This is a curly synthetic lace front wig. It has like an L parting because it's not supposed to be in the middle. It's supposed to be on the side. So it has like that L curve to it. Let me see if I can. If you look, you can see it has like that L curve to it right there because it's supposed to be on the side, but I just didn't like it as a side part, so I just put it in the middle, and it still looks bomb, as you can see. It says it's supposed to be 16 inches, maybe 16 inches stretched, but as far as 16 inches curled, no, this is more of like a 12-inch. Roughly estimating about a 12-inch. It's $33 on Amazon, and you know, if you're an Amazon Prime member, it takes 2 days to come. So if you're not an Amazon Prime member, make sure you become an Amazon Prime member. I will leave all the links down below so you can purchase this unit. This right here is the box that it came in, and it also did come with a pair of lashes, and then it came with 2 wig caps. Obviously I'm wearing one of the wig caps, and I don't know where the other wig cap is. I don't know where the other wig cap is because I think I wore that. It didn't come with like a bunch of lace around the sides. It came with just like probably like this much lace, like not even on the sides. I did add powder into the part just to make it look a little bit more natural. It came with 3 combs. You have 2 on these sides right here, and you have 1 in the back along with adjustable straps.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus!
And me, what I did personally is I like kind of took my hand and like picked through it just a little bit like this, just to give it a little bit more volume and a little bit more definition. Now what I was thinking about actually doing is actually taking my scissors and framing it just a little bit, just so it can like frame my face better. So then, because it's like really long right here, short right here, so I just wanted to just like frame my face how, you know, you want to frame your face to make the wig fit your face, if that makes sense, which it should make sense. I don't know, but anyways, yes, I definitely do love this unit. I have not gotten any shedding, tad bit tangling, only because it is curly, so it's going to tangle. You know, you can't expect these wigs to like not tangle. But the shedding part, no, it's definitely big head friendly. I didn't do the crisscross method with the adjustable straps. I just did like just hooked them onto each other. I don't use the comb simply because if you use the combs too much, it'll wear and tear on those certain parts where the comb is at, and your hair will actually thin out on those certain areas. But anyways, yeah, so this is basically the unit. I'm really loving it. It's definitely shoulder length. It's one of those wigs where you just pop on and go about your day and don't have to worry about like anything, like laying down the lace or nothing. I mean, like, you know, the lace isn't laid. Like I could have laid it down, but I didn't. So I mean, you could if you want to. Baby hair, as far as baby hairs, I wouldn't recommend it because you trying to part it is all curl. Like, there's no room for baby hairs, but you can lay it down if you wanted to. But it's one of those wigs where you just throw on your head and go about your day, whether you're going out to the club with your friends, or whether you're going to go run errands, whether you're going to lunch with bae. Doesn't matter. This wig is the perfect wig for all of that. So you don't even have to worry, honey. So yeah, this is it. I'm loving this unit. This is really like cute. It reminds me of like natural black hair, Afrocentric type of hair, my thing to go to. Hoping that one day my curls look like this because, as you guys know, your girl shaved off all her hair, so she is a body, but she's a bad body. Oh yeah. Anyways, so yeah, I definitely do recommend this unit. It is really cute. I'm just playing with it so much because I love how bouncy it is. I want to like go to the beach so bad, but it is March and coronavirus is strong, and you can't really go to the beach in Wisconsin in March. It's just unrealistic because it's fucking cold here still. we're supposed to be in spring soon and it's still winter, so it's still snow in areas. So yeah, but anyways, that's pretty much all that I have to say about this bomb ass unit on my head right now. If this is your first time watching, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.